That crazy sound up there again. Sasha, can you hear that sound?
What?
That sound.
What is that?
Come on, let's go check out. It's that same thing I heard last month or whenever it was.
Oh, that's quite strong.
What the hell is that? The moon's out again. What do you think it is?